vacation starts now. Alright, touchdown Boracay. I'm so excited to eat and to swim and to eat and to swim. I am so excited to be here again because the last time I went here was with my sisters to welcome the new year 2023. My first time in this hotel. I'm excited. While waiting for our check-in time, we ordered some food and drinks in the restaurant.
Furnace lemon. It's very thin and so cheesy for cheese. It's not salty. You can really taste the tomato and the cheese. And it's still hot. Lamig pa. Very rich.
The nachos is really good. Not too salty, highly recommended. My sister got this coffee. Half of it is bubbles. Let's try. While the strawberry shake is too sweet. Finally, we made it to our meal. Okay, let's go. Late afternoon already, we decided to walk around and watch the beautiful sunset of Boracay. Jardin is a great place to stay while waiting for the sunset. Plus, watching those people come and go, simple but very entertaining. While sipping food shakes. For our dinner, we decided to go to Little Taj Indian Street. My sister recommended this place and daghan kay kung nakitaan ani na vlogs. Ilan ning highly recommended. So, screenshot na ang mga menu, basta na yung mga bet diha, and mauna na sila yung mga photos also. The foods here are looking so great, so yummy, and so appetizing. First is we tried this appetizer because na trending ni siya. And my sister is helping me how to eat this properly. This is actually my first time to try this dish, and in fairness, I love it. It's crunchy at the outside and inside it's like a salad. I'm actually not a big fan of Indian food, but this restaurant is like very, very good. I highly recommend this biryani and the buttered chicken. Also this yogurt, it's like your sausawan or something like that. And of course, fried milk with ice cream for dessert. Rated this Resto 5/5 and this is our bill. My friend saw my story that I'm in Boracay, so we decided to meet up and eat here in Smooth. She highly recommends this banana waffle and it's 5/5. Second day in Boracay with beautiful weather. I love it so much with this view. Of course, I do some photo shoot and then pool swimming, and of course, now it's lunchtime. We decided to have our lunch here at Hama Japanese Cuisine. We ordered 3 dishes here. Actually, very chill lang because we're kind of busog pa. But my favorite here is this noodles. The taste is so authentic. I really like the mix of salt and sweet at the same time. Plus the noodles, it's very soft. Lami kaayo. We're giving it 3.5. Now time for dessert, and that is crepe. We ordered mango and Nutella crepe, and it really looks very good. While waiting, and you see that the crepe is so pretty. Lami kayo tan-awon, lami na judayin kaunon. And taste time, lami kaayo. I give it 5/5. Next up is Coco Mama, which is just across the crepe store.
Let's go. It's the other store chain. Okay. Yes, kami sa first na Coco Mama na store. Wala ba yan to? So you need to find itong Ube Mama gayo dire Coco Mama na store. Yeah. Let's go. Let's find it. Finally, so this is the real store.
Ube Mama is one of the recommended dessert to try here in Boracay. Let's see if it's worth it. I added extra flakes for crispiness and mo sa dingo nila. So yeah, let's go. Let's try.
Now let's try. Kahirapan. Dapat ate lang ice cream. Thank you.
It's good, but it doesn't worth the hype. So I'll give it 2.5. Beautiful golden hour here in Boracay. Look at that. I will never get tired of this view. It's time. And we are heading for our Kape at Hennan. And we are heading for our dinner. It's my sister's birthday, so we're going to Hennan for their birthday dinner. I'm so excited. Nikaon man sa itong lunch, pero gamay na. Because nangandam ko para sa dinner tonight. So yeah, let's go. Let's see the food. And we are here at Sea Breeze Cafe of Hennan. And finally, makatry na jud ko diri together with my sisters and my mom. The food looks so appetizing. Most especially kanilang dinidapita sa may entrance na sa right side. Dito ang inyuhang unahon pagkaon. So far, ang pinakalami na food diri is steak. Very, very good. And also the lechon manok. Lami sad kaayo. There are so many food inside. You have your calamares, your hamonado ba ni siya? Or I don't know. Kasi pangalan, basta lami sad. But this one looks pretty but not so good. And these crackers, they're lami sad. But my favorite is the Japanese food area. In fairness, super yum. And this side is my favorite. The baked scallop tastes really, really good together with these different kinds of lumpia and chicken wings. There are so many kinds of food here, from bread, different kinds of salads, plus the dressing, this bruschetta in Filipino style, and this little burger kanina side is like so lang, not my most recommended, but the other food and sweets are good. They also have cold desserts up to kakanin, up to, of course, crepe. Kaning crepe nila lamisad. And I really appreciate the only drinks and wine. Cheers to my beautiful twin sisters. Happy birthday! Next day for lunch, we went to Korean restaurant. Me and my other sister is craving for samgyup and ramen.
Kaya mo yan, ma. Go na.
So we decided not to order the only samgyeopsal because we're kind of full pa daw sa breakfast buffet. But I was shocked sa cute sa serving sa ilahang meat. My gosh! But I gotta say, this Korean restaurant here is super legit. This is 4 over 5.
After Korean, for lunch, we're craving for something sweet. So, mubalik mo dali sa Crepes. Kaya wala may nakakaon kahapon kay para to sa akong usa ka sister. Yes. Yan, nakakita ako of something like avocado. I might order. You want? Okay. So
I also highly recommend the Nutella crepe without mango plus avocado shake. Very love combo. Around 5 p.m., we decided to go around and see the Boracay night market, which is in the other side of the Boracay beachfront, and also to try this Mezerap place, which is the most recommended place to visit. And let's see if lami jud. Mezerap place is so cute. It's so island vibes here. It reminds me so much of Siargao. We ordered flatbread with hummus and kebab beef. This hummus and flatbread, oh my gosh, this is mind-blowing, so yummy. I highly recommend this one. For the kebab, I'm having trouble how to eat this. I did try just using my hand, just using one hand because the other one is, of course, vlogging. The kebab taste is legit, and there's a lot of vegetables on the side. I give 4.5 for Mezerap. On our way back to the hotel, we saw this Kape drip sa night market ng Boracay, so we want to try. In fairness, lamig. Kape drip. We also got this sweet corn, which is the sweetest. Highly recommended too.
Dinner time. We don't know yet kung hain kami mag-dinner. Jollibee. Jollibee or nimang inasal, favorite ni mother.
Now the Boracay night market is so alive, and we end up eating here at Chubby Crabph, Boracay. But we did not order crab, but instead, we ordered salted squid. This one is winner, oyster sisig. I highly recommend this one. And we tried also the homemade pasta and grilled pork for mother. And I give 4 stars for Chubby Crabph. For our dinner dessert, we are here at Pinkmoon. The place is really nice and cute, just like their ice cream.
Dami yan. Tapos ano ni mama kay amarang toothbrush. Press ma.
Pinkmoon ice cream, I give you 5 star over 5. Next dessert is great Tanghulu, which reminds me so much of Korea and Taiwan. And this is also 5 over 5 star. And that's it. I hope you guys enjoy this food vlog in Boracay. Like and subscribe and stay safe and healthy. Bye!